I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're...
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another day in my life vlog. So we are officially beginning the moving process to Minnesota, which is kind of crazy. We actually leave in like 4 days. So we're just gonna be doing like a little pack with me today, and hopefully I can give you guys some tips and tricks to help you with your future moves. So overall, we're just gonna have a very productive day. It is actually Monday, so let's get this week started. It's actually very gloomy out, so it's kind of perfect to have a packing day. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's get it going. So my tip number one for moving is to declutter your home first, because you don't want to bring things you don't need into your new space. So we are heading to donate a bunch of things right now. We still have a couple things that we're going to donate just like the day before, because one of them is Nala's tower and she uses it all the time. So we're just going to keep it until the very last minute. We just got back from running our errands. We donated some stuff and picked up a bunch of packing supplies, so we're ready to go. We also stopped and picked up some In-N-Out because we love In-N-Out. It's honestly so freaking good. So we wanted to get it one last time before we move, and it looks so yummy. I am so hungry. This is like my breakfast and lunch because I haven't eaten anything today, so I am starving. Got a hamburger animal style. It just has like a yummy sauce on it, and then some fries. All right, it's time to get down to business. I made some coffee, so we are ready to go. Also, please excuse my appearance. I am not feeling myself today, but you know, it's okay, whatever. But we're gonna start in the kitchen because I have a ton of dishes that I don't use all the time, and we only have 2 people living here, so we clearly don't need all this stuff right now, so it'll be fine to be like tucked away for a few days. Another quick packing tip that I learned is to write down what's inside of your box on a note card, and then you want to tape the note card to the side of the box, and that's because if the boxes get stacked, that way you can still see what's in it. Another thing that's super handy about the note cards is that you can actually write down exactly what's in the box. That way later, if you want to find something, then you easily can, especially if you have something really important in there, then it'll just be super easy to locate. And yes, you could obviously just write everything on the box itself, but it's just nice because if you want to save these boxes for a future move, then you can just take off the note card and put a new one, and it just keeps your box looking clean and organized. So I really like it.
I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back.
So I'm just gonna be wrapping the dishes in this dish foam. It just helps protect the dishes so they don't crack or anything during the move.
Having my own conversations, hoping you will come and save me. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I hope that you're coming back home. Look at you, eyes as soft as that ocean blue. Falling in, learn to swim like I never knew. I see it now, that everything will be.
All right, we are making some progress. I have all the plates, bowls, ramekins in here, and like a couple mixing bowls. And then I'm gonna put my mugs in a different box because these are my prized possessions. I absolutely love my mugs. I love collecting cool mugs, and I do not want them to get ruined or chipped during the move. So we need to protect these babies.
Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home. Having my own conversations, hoping you will come and save me. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I hope that you're coming back home. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home.
I'm actually going to take a packing break right now and go to the gym and get in a workout because I'll be honest with you guys, I'm having very low confidence today. I just do not feel my best. My hair has been driving me crazy and I just feel kind of gross, probably from my lunch today. It obviously wasn't the best. It was yummy in the moment, but afterwards I just don't feel my best. So I think I'm gonna head to the gym and hopefully this workout will help me feel better, and I'll probably take a shower later as well. well. Those usually make me feel a lot cleaner and more confident. So we're gonna do that and see how that goes. Okay, I'm definitely feeling a lot better than I did before I went to the gym. I had a really great workout and I showered, so I'm just feeling super clean and I just really needed that workout. So now we're gonna get back into packing, tackle some clothes here. I have a bunch of winter clothes behind me that can obviously be put away because I won't be wearing them for a while. We're actually gonna try out a new tip that I learned that makes packing your clothes super easy, and all you need is a trash bag. So this is the top of the bag. We're not gonna do anything with that yet. We're going to flip it over to the bottom and then we're going to make a hole in the top, and this is where hangers are going to poke through. We successfully got them all in the bag, so now we're just going to tuck the bottom of the clothes up in the trash bag and tie it, and that way they're just not dragging on the ground and getting dirty. This is honestly such a cool hack. It just makes it so much easier for you to unpack your clothes into your new closet. I wish I had known about this when I first moved here. I ended up folding everything, so this would have been nice to do. But, you know, better late than never. I'm glad I know now. So you can actually fit like 8 to 10 things per trash bag, but I just accidentally did like 7, which is just annoying. I wish I didn't do that, but I don't want to redo it. So we're just gonna keep going. Nala's been loving all of this packing because she gets to explore more. She's so funny. Aww. Okay, I've decided to call it quits for today. I'm exhausted. It's 7:30. I'm gonna make some dinner and then watch some Vampire Diaries because I have earned it. Just made a tuna salad sandwich and it looks so yummy, and I have some crackers on the side that I'm gonna eat with the leftover tuna that I didn't put on the sandwich, and then I'm gonna watch some Vampire Diaries. I am super happy right now. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end the vlog off here, but I really hope you enjoyed it and enjoyed the moving tips that I shared. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!